Hello, welcome to Quantum Online Academy. This is your Dr. Nagaraju pendam. In this video, we are going to discuss about one more important classical mechanics CSIR old question that is belongs to the periodic motion and oscillations. What is the question? When this question came, how we have to solve such type of questions we have to discuss in this live class. Once you have to see the time period of a particle of mass m, the time period of a particle of mass m undergoing a small oscillations around x is equal to 0, undergoing a small oscillations around x is equal to 0 in the potential, right? What is that potential? You have to see the potential, the function they are giving v is equal to v0 cos h x by L they are giving. This is the potential function. Now for the equilibrium, you need to calculate the first derivative with respect to x, the coordinate, one dimensional coordinate it is. So therefore V0 is divided by L into sin h of x by L is there. This is the first derivative, cos h of x by L. You have to differentiate sin h of x by L. So x by L. Again, you have to differentiate 1 by L. You are going to get. For equilibrium, you know that for equilibrium, what we have to write it is for equilibrium, the first derivative dou v by dou x is equal to 0. So therefore 0 is equal to v0 by L sin h of x by L. Sin h of x by L is equal to 0 by something is equal to 0. Therefore x is equal to 0. At equilibrium we have that value at x is equal to 0 we have to consider. Now we need to calculate the time period. We have to calculate. How we have to calculate? First you have to calculate for the second derivative. So dou square v by dou x square you have to do. So dou square v by dou x square is equal to v naught is divided by L square into cos h you have to differentiate, sin h you have to differentiate, cos x by L we are getting. This is the value you are going to get. So now you substitute equilibrium point. So the equilibrium point you have to substitute. Therefore, dou square v by dou x square is equal to v naught by L square into cos h of, so 0 by something is equal to cos h of, we have to write it is cos h of 0 by L is equal to 0. So cos 0 is equal to 1. So therefore V naught is divided by L square, that is going to become as a 1. So therefore what is that? Dou square V by dou x square is equal to V naught by L square. This is a positive value. So if it is a positive value means what we have to write here? Dou square V by dou x square is greater than 0. If dou square v by dou x square is greater than 0 means that equilibrium we call it as a stable equilibrium. What is the condition for the stable equilibrium? Dou square v by dou x square is greater than 0. That is the condition for the stable equilibrium. If you get the stable equilibrium, so dou square v by dou x square is equal to 0. So therefore the force constant or spring constant is equal to, what is your force constant? K is equal to dou square v by dou x square at equilibrium. So what is the dou square v by dou x square at equilibrium? So dou square v by dou x square is equal to v naught is divided by L square. V naught is divided by L square, which is equal to K is equal. So but we know that omega square is equal to K by M. Omega square is equal to K by M. Omega square is equal to V naught is divided by ML square, where omega is equal to square root of V naught is divided by ML square. Omega is equal to 2 pi by T. So therefore 2 pi by T is equal to V naught is divided by ML square. Therefore T is equal to you have to cross multiply this, you will get the value. So t is equal to 2 pi into square root of ml square is divided by v naught. This is the time period at equilibrium point x is equal to 0. Now you able to see the options. So m naught 2 pi is not there here. So 2 v naught is there. So option C is correct. 2 pi into ml square is divided by v naught. Here 2m also not correct. So therefore which option is correct? Option C is correct. 2 pi into square root of ml square is divided by square root of ml square is divided by v naught. Like this we have to solve in our competitive examination. In every competitive examination, such type of small oscillation question you able to get in your competitive examination. This is the 3.5 marks. How many marks? They will ask 3.5 marks from the periodic motions or small oscillations in your competitive examination. Clear? Not only CSIR, SET or any competitive exam, you have to go to do like this. This is the solution technique to follow the answer. Now we are daily informing to you. So we started the CSR and GATE physics content online course, DL physics and JL physics content also available, right? So our app is Quantum Online Academy app. If you have Android mobile phone, go to the Play Store and download our app. Our app is Quantum Online Academy app. Our app symbol will display like this. After downloading the app, go to the stores. There you able to see the courses. Our courses will display like this: CSR physics, JL physics, DL physics courses are there. If you want to take, so first going to take the course, you have to contact with me. My number is 9908437460. This is my number. You have to contact with me and you negotiate with me and you have to join in this course. This course is very, very useful to you. Already I told so many classes, I told in YouTube also, from mathematical methods of physics, from classical mechanics and set paper analysis and JL paper analysis and DL demo. So many things I told you. You assess my teaching style, whether it is better teaching style. You able to take this course. If you want to take only individual paper, suppose you only mathematical methods of physics you have to take. If you don't know classical mechanics, only classical mechanics you have to take. Clear? So like this you able to take the courses, right? So this is very, very important. You concentrate on this. Almost classical mechanics also, now we are in end of that classical mechanics also, we are a couple of days we are finishing now under the periodic motion. So this is live plus recorded classes are available, live plus recorded. But this mathematical methods of physics is only recorded only. That mathematical methods of physics is only recorded version only. Thank you so much. So please share and subscribe and like our YouTube channel. Your likes are very, very important to motivated us. Thank you so much. ప్రాబ్లం వచ్చింది అలా.